I'm going to show you how to install LinkedIn on your mobile device and your computer. LinkedIn is a social networking platform for professionals, and it's a great way to connect with people in your industry, find jobs, and build your career. How to install LinkedIn on mobile devices. To install LinkedIn on your mobile device, you'll need to open the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the App Store, search for LinkedIn and tap the download button. Once the app is downloaded, open it and sign in with your account credentials. Let's see this in action on an Android device. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and tap the search icon. Tap the Get or Install button next to the LinkedIn app. If prompted, enter your Google account password to confirm the download. Once the download is complete, tap the Open button to launch the LinkedIn app. On the app, you can create a profile by joining the network. I will tap Continue with Google as the account creation will take less time. Select the account you want to use. Follow the on-screen instructions and in the end, you should have a valid account on the platform. How to install LinkedIn on a PC. You cannot install the site on your PC like an app on the phone. To use LinkedIn on your PC, you'll need to go to the LinkedIn website. Open the browser and write in the address bar linkedin.com. On the site, you can just sign in or join the platform as you did on the phone. You see I am logged on to the site and can use all the features. That's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you learn how to install LinkedIn on your mobile device and your computer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.